So, same deal as before. I'm going to draw a picture of this first so I can take a look at it, and then I'm going to deal with the reflection after I draw a good picture. So A is at 1, -6. 6. C is at, or sorry, G is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and then J is at 1, 2, 3, A, B, J. So there's my triangle. It says reflect it, and this is what I talked about up earlier in the last file. If you saw that file and saw me talk about it in there, it deletes my I and my S, or just my S sometimes when I make the text bigger. So if you do happen to see that, just put them back in there for me. So it says reflect over the x-axis. Now this is one of the first ones that something like this has happened on. There's my x-axis. The points all behave in their own way. All right, so they don't affect each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reflect G first. So it's up 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for G. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up there. And now J, and this is what a lot of people have a problem with at first. J actually goes 1, 2 down to the yellow line. So it goes 1, 2 down below the yellow line. And that's because these points all, I always kind of say stupidly, live their own life. They don't care what the other points are doing. Reflections are individual to specific points. So that means that when I reflect these things, none of the points actually affect each other. That yellow line has to be in the middle of the point and its image point for each of the points. It can't just be for a couple of the points. You don't just slide that triangle up so that all the points go in the same direction. All right? And that's perfectly okay that the points behave differently because it's a point-by-point reflection. So A prime, G prime, and J prime are what I'm looking at here. So J is 1, 2, 3, -2. G is 5, and then up 4. And A is 1, and then up 6. All right, so that's what that looks like